You can turn your social media post into a business portfolio or as an attachment to your resume to show the projects that you have been working on. You can print as many pages as you want using our WordPress tool called our portfolio generator. You get a URL that you can share with anybody that want to view it digitally. You can also get a QR code. The QR code for somebody that if you printed it, they can scan it and view it online if they want to see it later. So with WordPress, we are giving you all the flexibility that you need to be able to showcase what you do. Here is how to get that done. Hey, let me show you how to build a portfolio with WordPress. Say WordPress want to send a business proposal to Tesla or a resume to Tesla. I can search WordPress here, right? So I'm sharing this portfolio with Tesla, okay? So I enter the company and my own information. At the same time, I go next. I need to save my portfolio. I want to call it demo, okay? I can now search any post I have made on WordPress, okay? So I can search by title or I can search by the series name, okay? So in this case, let me say I bring one of my series, say, learning how to work with WordPress, right? I say learn how to use WordPress. If I search that, learn, it can give me a lot of suggestions, right? So I click on what I want to select. One more thing is in each page, you are only able to select maximum of 6 posts on a single page, okay? So say I want to add this car, say I want to add this screen, let me just select random. I can search anything I want, say conveyor, right? So I want to send a search for conveyor. I can say conveyor, then select the conveyor up to six things on these pages, okay? Add, okay? I can literally preview what I've added so far, okay? See preview, you can preview it, okay? Let's preview and see how our portfolio looks like. Wow, see, with this, you are able to send to any client. You can add description to your work, okay? Right. You can put some highlight about your work. In this case, let me put about highlight about WordPress networking, right? So if I preview my page now, you should see the description and you should see the highlights. Remember, we have a toggle button. If you don't want that to show, you don't want to add any description, you are able to turn it off. You don't want to show highlights, you can turn that off. Decide if you want your portfolio to have a QR code or you don't want your portfolio to have a QR code, okay? So if you don't want it, you turn it off, okay? In this case, say I want to show a QR code. That way, if I want to print it, because the good thing about this is you are actually getting a PDF. With WordPress portfolio, you get a PDF. With the PDF, right, someone can scan a QR code and see the digital copy, okay? If I go and publish it, okay, let me publish the portfolio. On the publish page, I want to show us something. We have 2 themes, okay? We have a classic green, which is a green background. We also have the classic white. So you really need to decide, say in this case, a classic green. If I publish classic white right now, let me publish my PDF. When I publish my PDF, I have an opportunity to send the PDF to anybody I want, and it's on the web.